What did you do? I am so sorry!
This was her first day.
Today is my first day. I feel nervous. Can I do this? Oh, it is today. My first day. This is my uniform. This is my dream. I must be strong. Today is important. I feel many things, but I will try. Today is her first day. She must be nervous. I will make her favorite breakfast.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my dear. Are you feeling okay? Do not worry. You are strong. I believe in you.
Good morning, my child. Today is your big day. I am proud of you.
Eat well, my dear.
Stay calm and do your best.
Thank you. I will try.
I must be ready. Do not forget anything. This is a big day. I will miss you. Thank you for everything. I will make you proud. Do not cry. Be strong. You can do this. It is okay, my child. I am always with you.
Thank you, Mommy.
God bless you. Be brave.
I will try, Father.
I am ready. Take care, my child.
We are with you.
I will come back sooner. We will wait for you.
Go with confidence.
Goodbye.
Take care. Be safe.
I feel sad. But I must go. Be strong.
I am ready now. I will do my best. Let's go. The airport is near. I feel nervous again. Stay calm now.
My hands are shaking. I feel very nervous. It is okay. Relax.
Smile. Not good. Try again. Breathe in. Breathe out. I feel better. This is the airport. It is so big. I am really... So many people. Everything is new. Stay calm.
Wow, planes. They are so big. This is amazing.
Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Follow me. Listen carefully. Be polite with passengers.
Yes, I understand.
Welcome. Good morning, Nan. This way, please. Well,
Thank you.
well,
Thank you.
this way. Well, this way. No, sorry.
It's okay.
Please go this way. Stay focused. Yes, I'm sorry. I will do better. I made a mistake. This is not good. I feel bad. Be careful. Do not make a mistake, eh? Stay calm. My hands are shaking. Hold it steady. Please, Sam, don't spill. Careful. Slowly. Hold it.
Is that for me?
Yes, sirs.
Be careful.
Please be careful, Ren. Here, sir. Careful. Please don't fall.
What was that?
Wait, they saw that! Oh no. I'm sorry.
What is this?
I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry, Ray.
What did you do?
I am very sorry.
Look at my shirt!
I am very sorry. Please forgive me. My mistake. I feel so bad. I didn't want.
What happened? She made a mistake.
I am sorry.
What happened? She made a mistake.
I am sorry. Please stay calm, sir. We will fix this. Thank you. Please.
It was an accident.
Really?
It's really okay. Do not worry.
Thank you, sir.
I forgive you. It's not a big problem.
Thank you so much. He is not angry. I feel better. I feel okay now. I can do this. Stay strong. Here is your drink.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight. Good job. Thank you. I did it. We are landing now. Everything is okay. I feel happy. I did it. My first day. I am happy. I learned something today. Mistakes are okay.